Restoring a Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from rust to roaring glory. A rusted-out Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 sits in a dimly lit garage, covered in dust, cobwebs, and the unmistakable scent of forgotten dream. All right, folks, meet the legend, my 1967 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. Well, what's left of it anyway. Right now, it looks less like a muscle car and more like a tetanus risk on wheels. Why did I choose this car? Because I've always dreamed of owning one, and because I apparently enjoy suffering, pokes a rust hole in the fender. This isn't patina. This is nature's way of saying good luck, buddy. First step, derusting. If this Mustang had a dating profile, it would say covered in rust, but has a great personality. Pulls out a rodent nest from the engine bay. Ah yes, every classic car restoration comes with bonus roommates. This is Carl. Carl's been living in here rent-free for who knows how long. New engine, fresh suspension, and a brand new interior. This Mustang is getting a full-blown resurrection. It's like a spa day, but with more grease and fewer cucumbers on my eyes. And now, the moment of truth, the paint job. I wanted something classic, something bold, something that says, yes, I spent all my money on this. She's alive. I feel like Dr. Frankenstein, except instead of a monster, I built a masterpiece. Revs the engine, grinning ear to ear. This is what heaven sounds like, folks. This journey wasn't just about restoring a car. It was about restoring a dream. Every busted knuckle, every sleepless night, every why did I start this moment, all led to this. The Mustang speeds down an open highway, the engine growling. They say cars have souls. I don't know if that's true, but if it is, this one just got a second chance, and so did I. At a gas station, a stranger admires the car. Stranger. That's a beauty. Brand new? Nah, just well-loved. Stands proudly next to the Mustang. So if you ever see a rusted-out wreck and think it's too far gone, think again. With enough passion, sweat, and maybe a little bit of insanity, anything can be brought back to life. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have some open roads to conquer. The Mustang roars down the highway, disappearing into the horizon.